Diddy Docket for Wednesday, June 4th. We have two people on the stand today. We have Bryana Bongolan, who is a friend of Cassie. She's going to testify to an alleged incident where Diddy attacked her in 2016. We also have a video forensic expert to testify as to whether or not the security tape from the hotel incident in 2016 or any of the sex tapes admitted into evidence have been doctored. Bryana testified to a time in 2016 when she was spending the evening with her ex-girlfriend at Cassie's house. When Diddy arrived, she hit her girlfriend and she went out on the balcony. Diddy approached her, upset, grabbed her, lifted her up, and pretended as if he was going to throw her off the railing. They were 17 floors up. Screaming at her, what you did. She says she has no idea why he was so angry with her, and then threw her into a coffee table. That Diddy told her that he was the devil and that he would kill her. She said that after the attack was over, that she did not report it to police because she was scared. Her testimony included a couple more incidents of violence by Diddy against Cassie, times that she saw Cassie bruised, beat up, times that she saw Diddy throw objects at Cassie, including a knife. All those details are at abcnews.go. On cross-examination, the defense did try to cast doubt on her testimony, bringing up her prior drug use, the fact that she did sell drugs to Combs and Cassie. There were inconsistencies in her testimony. She is another witness that was granted immunity before she took the stand, saying that she was only there to testify because she was subpoenaed. So her, George Kaplan, the previous assistant who admitted to buying drugs for Cassie and Diddy, and the security guard, Mr. Garcia, was granted immunity too because he admitted to taking the footage from the hotel and selling it to Diddy. So most witnesses have been granted immunity before they take the stand, saying that they're only there to testify because they were subpoenaed. The defense is still trying to say that her testimony is financially motivated against Combs because she did file a civil suit against Diddy for the balcony incident. It is a civil suit where she sued for $10 million, and that suit is still pending. So their theory is that she is there to testify against Diddy, that her testimony is not reliable because she has a financial motive in this. The next prosecution witness was Frank Piazza, the forensic video expert. He told the jurors that the video appeared to him to be unaltered in its original form. He walked the jury through specific frames of the video shoot, narrating moments when Combs threw Cassie to the ground through a vase, and he confirmed that the videos and evidence were authentic. The defense has argued from the beginning to try to keep this video out of evidence. He said there was no anomalies going into the file to indicate that it had been manually altered. He also reviewed 10 sex videos admitted into evidence under seal after they were extracted from one of Cassie's devices. They did not offer any details of the videos because they were admitted under seal, but they are assumed to show some of the freak-offs that were recorded, but they are sealed from public view, and in part to kind of protect, or hopefully protect, some of the alleged victims in the case. The prosecution is saying that Diddy made these recordings as a way to extort Cassie, force her to do things that she did not want to do. The defense is saying yes, he may have participated in these acts and made these video recordings, but there's nothing illegal about that. That is just his sexual preference. Cassie's friend's testimony just reiterates acts of violence and that people were too scared or too threatened to report him to the police. The video expert just confirms that the entire video that was shown to the public at the hotel was not altered at all. Today's testimony really didn't offer anything new, just another incident of Diddy being violent towards another woman. The defense trying to discredit her testimony because of her drug use in the civil lawsuit. And then we have the video expert just confirming that the security footage from the hotel had not been altered. So the attack that we saw is what really happened. Until next time.